Hey guys, Wire here. I thought this week we'd work on the screwdriver. I don't know where I got this. Maybe a flea market, I don't know. It was in the back of my pickup truck when I was cleaning it. I bought a new vehicle last week and bought a Ford Bronco. And Ford is giving tools again when you buy a vehicle. It only took them 100 years to start doing that again, I guess. Anyway, this is a Miller's Falls number 852 4-inch flathead screwdriver. It's a little rough, so we're going to clean it up and see if we can get this back in shape. I do like this red handle. Anyway, let me set this up and we'll start going. Okay guys, this is post wire brush. Got all the surface rust off. There's a little bit of pitting right here. And like an indentation here. Looks like somebody touched this with electric and it burned a hole in it. So we're going to try to get this out. Try to smooth it out without screwing up the screwdriver. And polishing this up, and then we'll work on the handle. So let me get the belt sander up and see if we can get this knocked out. Okay guys, we're all done. Turned out really nice. There's a little bit of pitting here and on this side, and it looks like I'm pretty sure this might have been an electrician's screwdriver, because the only thing that makes these kind of divots in tools is when you shorten out AC electricity. So I'm taking maybe 80% this was a electrician's screwdriver, but it turned out pretty nice. Handle polished up really nice, few little dings and dents in it, but this was a working screwdriver. And I really like the red handle. I wish all my tools had red handles, but like I said, it turned out really nice, and I'm going to put this in my collection. I'm not going to use it. Something like this has got a little bit of history in it, and I like to keep it that way. Anyway, fellas, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys the next time. This is Wired. Catch you later.